Video is the best way to build a large addressable audience. The most common way of marketing an e-commerce site is through email. But is this really the best way to build a large, highly targeted email address list? Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about video as the best way to build a large addressable audience. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If you're not using video to grow your email list, then you're really missing out on one of the best ways to grow your business. Video marketing can help you market to your target audience at their own speed, which will increase conversions dramatically. Most businesses fail because they don't take the time to market to their target audience. They might send out dozens of emails a day, but never let anyone know that they exist. People don't like to be bombarded with emails, especially if those emails are generic, boring, or just not effective. To have the success that you're looking for, you need to find a way to grow your list and create a relationship with your list. By focusing on building trust and building relationships, you can market to your target audience while they're browsing your site. Your video marketing strategy should start out with your opt-in page. Don't focus on just sending out links to your video. Instead, work on getting people to your opt-in page to watch your video. This will show them that you're an expert in your field and they'll feel more comfortable giving you their email address. When you're marketing through video, it's important to remember that you're in the viewer's shoes. They want to learn what you're saying, but they're also trying to understand your point in the video. You have to keep this in mind and focus on their wants and needs, as opposed to their wants and needs, your wants and needs, when it comes to growing your list. If you do this properly, you can build a highly targeted list that will convert at a very high percentage. Once you've built up your list, you're going to need to drive them to your opt-in page. To do this, you can use a few different methods of driving traffic to your video. One of the top-rated strategies is video blogging. Video blogs allow you to drive traffic to your video in a totally natural way, by blogging about the video that you're promoting. Another top strategy for video marketing is video streaming. Essentially, instead of having a video hosting site like YouTube, you'll be posting your video on social networking sites like Facebook. This will allow you to build your list even faster because more people will be able to view your video. It will also allow you to interact with your audience even more. Video streaming tends to be one of the most effective methods of building a list. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, you should start submitting your videos to online directories. There are a ton of free video directories out there. You can submit your video to as many of them as you want, but you want to submit your video to the ones that get the most views. By submitting to these directories, you're building backlinks to your website that will help you get free traffic forever. Every single backlink you have helped your video get higher rankings in the search engines, and that's what you want to see happen. Video marketing isn't a secret. It's fast and it's easy to do. It's not just for big companies, either. If you've got a great video, you can use it to build a large addressable audience today. But what if you don't know how to make a video? Don't worry. You don't have to have an education in the film to learn how to market your videos effectively. In fact, all you have to do is get familiar with other ways you can market your videos so you can do it yourself. Here are 3 of my favorite video marketing strategies. If you follow these 3 simple strategies, you'll find that you can easily build the largest list of potential customers you could ever hope for without spending thousands of dollars on online advertisements. The first thing you can do to build your video presence is to post videos on video hosting sites such as YouTube, Vimeo, Yahoo Video, and others. Then, start promoting your videos within the community. Tell your friends and followers where they can find out more about your videos. Another way you can build your presence is by creating press releases. Tell them where they can find your press releases and how to submit them. You can also sign up for newsletters so that you can inform subscribers about new videos you are making and places where they can find out more about you. Video promotion is not hard to do, but it does take a little bit of work. But the effort is definitely worth it when you realize that it will pay off big time in the end. Thanks for watching my video about video is the best way to build a large addressable audience. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.